Hi, welcome back. I'm Jason from the LRC, and this is our winter reading series. So today I'm bringing you the third and final book that we're going to talk about is Whose Tracks Are These by Jim Nail. And this is a great book because it talks about the different types of animals and their tracks they make in their habitats. To support the book Whose Tracks Are These by Jim Nail, I am going to show you an activity that you can make. So it's going to be a matching the animal with the footprint. Okay, so we have different animals here. We have a bear, we have a rabbit, a frog, a duck, and a bird. Okay, so you're going to cut out your footprints and glue them on a piece of poster board, and then you're going to cut out the animal. So the children are getting the association between the word and the picture. So I glued the word on the animal card. So we have a bear, we have a rabbit, we have a frog, we have a duck, and we have a bird. So I wanted to share with you an extension activity that would help support Whose Tracks Are These. You can make fake snow, okay, and all it takes is baking soda and white hair conditioner. So you mix them together and it gets real nice and cold. So the kids will really like to see the change in your material when it goes from one state to another. Since we're talking about animal tracks, is to get any little animals you might have around your house, or if you want to borrow these from the LRC, we have a nice forest animal collection. The children can talk about the animals and then they could use them with their snow, and you could talk about the different animal tracks that they make, just like we did in our story. This concludes our last of our three-part winter reading series. So please don't forget to download the PDFs with your activity plans, your materials, and your directions for all the activities that I presented to you. So enjoy the rest of your winter.